Why does the crowd scream at American football games? I'm sure you really know that, but as a newcomer in a country like this, coming from a world of soccer, it's a bit confusing, but let me tell you more about how that links to the business. In American football, the crowd screams like crazy to make sure that the opponents can't really speak to each other. Imagine that. Their screaming so communication are broken. And that is so powerful that they're even sometimes called the 12th man or something like that. The 12th player maybe. And there are even rules how much you can communicate during games, and they even cover their mouths so that you can't lip read and stuff like that. All that because the communication is so important that it can turn the entire game around. I wonder if communication is that important in real life, like, in a company, for example. I think so. If you can't communicate, you have already won the war, so to speak. So in war, the first thing they cut off is communication. So are you at war with your people because they're not communicated to? There needs a little bit of structure. What to communicate, how to communicate it, what channels to choose, etc. But it's so important because they can make you win or fail. So let's talk more about communication. Like and share this one, send me an email, and I can let you know more about my thoughts about communication and how to structure that. Thanks for listening.